everybody and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Sheena and I'm the owner and founder of Christian Creative Mental. On my channel, I do videos all about managing mental health with Bible journaling. So if that's something you're interested in seeing more of, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell beside it so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Today's video, we're going to be looking at another one of the verses from My God's Love for You. So let's go. Guys, I'm sorry today's intro is a little less formal than normal. I am really struggling. So I decided that for today's video, I was going to go back and look at another one of the verses from God's Love for You because that's just really what I need right now. We're going to look at Isaiah 41:10. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be afraid, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will help you. I will hold on to you with my righteous right hand. And this just really spoke to me because this week is the anniversary of my mom passing away. It will be a year on Saturday since she has passed away, and it's just, this past year has been really hard. So I'm going to do a little bit of Bible journaling and just kind of chit chat with y'all, and hopefully it will help me. So what I'm going to do, and this might be a little more difficult for me because I am right-handed, is I'm going to take my super crayon, I'm going to put my right hand down on the page, and I'm just going to trace my right hand. And I actually traced it a little bit bigger than my fingers, but now I'm just going to go through and kind of scribble along that line because I want it to have a little more color than just the line. I'm just going to take a baby wipe and kind of make a little point to it and just kind of blend that out and make it look like some color coming out from my hand. Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking when I'm not doing well. They're extra clingy and I'm not doing well this week, so they are extra clingy. This past year after losing my mom has been really hard, but really hard in a lot of different reasons than normal. My mom was the cause of a lot of my trauma and the cause of a lot of my pain. So a lot of the flashbacks and stuff that I've had, they all started after my mother passed away. And it seems like it's only gotten worse and worse. And it's just kind of been hard. And this week, I've just been having an extra hard time. Couldn't really figure out why. You may have noticed I didn't post a video on Tuesday. I had one planned, but I didn't get it done. And that is because I've been having just such a hard time. Hoping that I can get back to doing some more filming here in the next day or two and have videos like I normally would. So, does that look like a hand to y'all? I kind of lost my pinky, but I think that looks pretty good. And then I have these stickers I picked up. I can't remember, well, these are Paper Studio. They came from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember where I got these from. I'm just going to use them. I think I'm going to mostly use these because I only have like a letter or two of those. I'm not going to be able to do a whole lot with those, but I have several letters of each of these, capital. So I'm going to use these to put fear. I'm going to put do not fear. And then I'm going to use these Ooh, I kind of put do not. Okay, do not fear. And then I'm gonna put hold you in my hand, and I'm gonna use these to do hand. Make sure I didn't, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna start with the D. I think that looks super cute. And I'm gonna put, I will hold you in my hand. Yeah, this week I've been struggling really bad, and to just think about the fact that he loves me enough, that he cares enough about me, that even through my hard times that he will hold me in his righteous right hand and help me through these hard times is very reassuring and very helpful, especially on days like today. I hope if anybody else is struggling, this verse helps you and helps you with anything that you may be going through. I will hold you. Let's see, I'm gonna probably go backwards now because I'm kind of running out of, I'm gonna make sure I don't run out of room. Do not fear, I will hold you in my hand. There we go. So, if this video, if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.